Hey, Pop here. Today we'll be adding a vent cover to our 4-inch dryer vent. Bought this off Amazon. Saw a few other folks have it, so this will go over the 4-inch dryer vent. This little contraption here will sit on top of that, and it has kind of like a little valve in there, so when the dryer blows its air, it pushes up on the valve through that pipe there, and it allows the air to escape out of the bottom of this canister. Keeps the rodents and the moisture out. So the first thing I do is clean it off a little bit, hold this in the area that I need it, kind of get it lined up. It looks like someone previously had some type of cover on there, so it lined up about the same. Marking my holes with a permanent marker so I can see it. You see that this really does not take long. Once I get the holes marked using my new DeWalt hammer drill that Ridge got me for Christmas, drilling those in to the length of the Tapcon screws that I'll be using. That's the little depth guide there you see beside the drill bit, and this little hammer drill works well. Now I'm using Tapcon screws. I have a 1/4-inch nut driver on there. I used a 5/32 masonry bit. If you're curious about the Tapcon screws, the screws were a little longer than I wanted. They were 1 3/4 inches. If I could have found some a little shorter, that would have been fine, but that's just what I found, so that's what I'm using. I did go back and put some washers on there, and the reason I did that, I was afraid that it would kind of shift or move or something. You know, washers never hurt, so putting that washer on there just kind of helped secure the vent cover. Now that I got it secure on there, I just pop this canister on top. It's good to go. Everything's up and working like it should. Please like and subscribe, join my channel. Help support me. If you need anything or see anything you want, just let me know. Have a great day.